Hey, my patient doesn't have a pulse. I'm starting CPR.
Code blue in room 41.
The patient's in PE.
I got the code card.
Let's get the backboard under the patient.
Stop CPR for a second.
Let's roll on 3, 1, 2, 3.
I got the pads hooked up.
Okay, let's resume CPR. Can someone drop 1 amp of epi?
1 amp of epi given.
Hey, Dr. Starr just arrived.
I am Dr. Sar. Tell me what's going on.
This is a 61-year-old male came in with a COPD exacerbation. He has progressively been more hypoxic, and suddenly his blood pressure just dropped and he's now in PE.
Okay, thank you. Did anyone check a blood sugar?
Grabbing one now. Alright, blood sugar's 121.
Let's go ahead and give 1 amp of bicarb.
Drawing up 1 amp of bicarb.
Okay, 1 amp of bicarbs administered.
Has anyone called the family yet?
I'll call the case manager and have him call the wife.
Let's get an end tidal set up to make sure we're doing good compressions.
The case manager got a hold of the wife and she's on her way.
How are you doing on CPR?
I'm hanging in there but could use a break soon.
Okay, you only have about 30 seconds left. Are you alright?
Yeah, I can do 30 more seconds.
Okay, in 30 seconds we're gonna do a pulse check and switch compressors. You also drop the next epi so we're prepared to give it at 3 minutes.
Drawing up the next epi now.
All the compressions? Do we have a pulse?
Still no pulse.
Alright, looks like patient's in PEA. Let's begin CPR again. Do we have our next epi ready?
Next epi is ready.
Okay, let's go ahead and give that at the 3-minute mark. And can we have someone draw an ABG? I want to run a blood gas and also see the patient's electrolyte.
Okay, I'll grab an ABG now.
20 seconds until our next epi.
Okay, let's go ahead and give that next amp of epi.
1 amp of epi given.
1 amp of epi given.
How are you doing with compression?
I'm doing all right.
Okay, good. You have about 50 seconds left and then we'll pause to do another pulse check and rhythm check. Alright, let's go ahead and hold compressions.
I feel a strong carotid pulse.
Alright, we got ROSC. It looks like the patient is in sinus tach. What's our blood pressure?
Blood pressure looks good, 120/75.
Can we go ahead and get a liter of normal saline going?
Okay, 1 liter of saline is primed and hanging wide open.
Is the patient spontaneously breathing?
No, I'm still having to manually bag the patient.
Alright, let's set up to intubate the patient. And can someone let me know when the wife arrives?
Yes, we will get the stuff set up for intubation and we will let you know when the wife arrives.
Okay, thank you everybody.